tutorial, we are discussing about the complete form of if statement. So, if a statement is used to check the condition. Let's discuss about it. Java if statement. The Java if statement is used to test the condition. It checks Boolean condition, that is true or false. So, if the condition is true, it will execute. If the condition is false, it will not execute. This is the simple funda behind the if statement. So, there are various forms of if statement in Java. First one is if statement. Second is if else statement. Third is if else if ladder statement. And fourth is nested if statement. Let's discuss about the if statement, or we can say that simple if statement. So the Java if statement tests the condition. It executes only if the if block condition is true. And its syntax is if condition curly braces open, code to be executed curly braces close. If the condition is true, then only the whole statement will execute, and if the condition will false, then it will be terminated. Next is Java if else statement. It also tests the condition. It executes the if block if condition is true, and if the condition is false, then it will execute the else block. Let's see the syntax. If condition, code if condition is true, else code if condition is false. If we want to give some answer when my condition is false, in that case we used if else statement. It means that if the condition is true, then this value will be executed, and if the condition is not true, then we can also display some messages and with the help of else statement. So in that type of program, we used if else statement. Let's discuss about the Java if else if ladder statement. It executes one condition from multiple statements. It means that if we want to execute the multiple condition, or if we say that if we want to execute the multiple choices, then we use if else if ladder statement. Here is its syntax. If condition 1 is not true, then we can go with condition true. If condition 2 is also not true, then we can go with condition 3. We can go with n number of conditions. And if all the condition is not true, then we can go with else statement. So it depends on the which condition suits, this block will be executed. If condition 1 will become true, then code will be executed of condition 1. If condition 2 will true, then else if part of condition 2 will execute. If condition 3 is true, then this statement will execute. And if all the condition does not satisfy, then we can go for the else statement. It is just similar like a switch statement. Let's discuss about the Java nested if statement. The nested if represents the if block within another if block. It means that the inner if block condition executes only when outer if block condition is true. And its syntax is if condition, code to be executed, if condition, code to be executed, curly braces close. We can also say that Java nested if statement as a if inside an if. It is used when we have a both type of condition, that if we want two type of condition, that if the number is positive, then only we can check it is even or odd. In that type of condition, we can use Java nested. First of all, we should check the condition, that is whether the number is positive or negative. And if it satisfies our first condition, then only second condition will be executed, that it is even or odd. In that type of example, we can use Java nested if statement. So that's all from the if statement. Thank you.